Welcome to Kepper Homestead. In this episode, we're going to set up a tent stall made out of panels. I don't have an actual barn, and red tape is currently preventing us from building one. So I wanted to find out if this was a good way to get by for now. You don't need an excavator to load the panels. It was just conveniently there at the time. You could do it alone, but two people would make it a lot more comfortable. Setting up the panels in a square was the easiest part. Setting up the roof isn't too bad. I tried to do it without a ladder, but eventually you do need one. Meanwhile, I'm having debates with the inspectors, and they try to confiscate my manual and plans. Let's just put my stuff here for safekeeping. The roof has slats for bracing, and the whole thing is very sturdy and properly galvanized. The most challenging bit would be getting the tarp up there. It's good quality tarp, like they use on freight trailers and such. You can set this up in a bit over an hour by yourself. I've been so satisfied with these stall tents that I've set up another one in the meantime. and I'm very happy to have them in the winter to house the cows and horses. I'm impressed with the quality of the panels. They're very well coated and will probably outlast me. Eventually, it's worth facing the red tape to build a nice large barn. But for now, I'm going to add a few more of these tent stables. I can move them around at any time I want and change my mind as much as I want. This gives me a lot of time and some experience in deciding where, when, and how big of a barn I need in the future. And with that, we're going to end the episode here. See you next time on Capra Homestead.